not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for welcome back to my channel. We have made it to South Carolina.
Yeah, I gotta go.
Y'all don't want to stretch our legs.
We're about to get out
I gotta go
use
to the bathroom.
the bathroom.
Hey, Dondre. What's wrong? Huh?
Hey guys. So right now we are in South Carolina. I'm the only one driving so far. I'm already tired. Have about 2 more hours till it's time to switch.
Hey, y'all.
Who you switching with?
Riella. No, Bianca said that she was gonna take an hour.
I did.
Girl, my knee is already hurting.
You.
How you love someone, let it go.
It was all a dream.
He's promised everything. Your life hasn't shut you down.
Well, y'all, we're still in South Carolina. We had to stop because people had to use the bathroom.
Whoever moved my
But y'all look at
it.
pretty palm trees.
I can't get.
We're gonna pass that again tomorrow, right? When you first walk in, we have a nice long entryway. We have a table, little vases, and the little picture frames. This is the first room. Size bed. We have a little TV. And you come here. They have their own bathroom, shower, and double sink. You like our shirts? Say DC. We come here, we have a nice kitchen. Have an island. It's a open floor plan, so it's the living room over here. Has the bar stools. It has the TV and the console. It's the dining area. We all can sit and have our breakfast and look on. We have a pool game, and what you call it in paddle. What's it called? Pinball. This is what the garage looks like. It sure looks like. So this is another bedroom. little dim here, y'all. And this is the bathroom to this room. Has a double vanity. And they have a big old nice tub. And they have a walk-in shower. And this is the, what do you call it, the powder room? This is the powder room. Let me go out. Keep that low. So now we're about to go outside. So this is the outside, y'all. It is all of the pool area. So now we're going up the stairs. We just finished the whole bottom floor. So this is a bedroom. That's that. So like I said, it's a Jack and Jill's connected to another room. There's their shower. And toilet. There go the double sinks. Hey guys. And this is the other room connected to that. And we're coming back out. And this is like the little what you call it?
It's like supposed to be like a little theater, but
Little den. I remember the little TV. This little TV, little console table. This area. Which I'm tired. So this is another room.
I still got a bathroom right there.
Okay.
Diddy, don't do that.
This is the girls' room. Their bathroom. And so this is another room. This is gonna be my room. So I might put the beds together. And I feel through the crack. But yeah, and
They said he might come join me.
And this is another Jack and Jill bathroom. Oh, I got my own bathroom because of my little shower thing.
Double sink.
Double sink. Stand up shower. But this is another room. I apologize when you see people's stuff everywhere because other people are here and they already got settled in. So this is another room. This is another room. And here's the twin beds. She didn't want to walk out with her bonnet on. We are going inside Walmart to pick up some little whatnots or whatever. Troy, what you already got?
You said what?
I was asking what you already had.
Oh, nothing really. I just do some stuff.
Yeah, this Walmart look a little modern. The little squares and stuff. A little fancy. Have made it back from the store. I just want to show y'all the few things that I picked up from the store. Bunions, puff popcorn,
Ruffles, hot fries, juices. And this is what my sister got me for my birthday. She got it from Target. I found this. This is another product from the TPH collection, and this is Softer Than a Mother, and it's with vanilla and tuberose. They didn't have much, so I did pick that up. Also got some washcloths, towels, and I picked up me and Zari a bathing suit. This one is mine, and this one is Zari. And y'all, look what I found. I was so excited. Y'all know I love horror. Ain't that is cute? A few cleaning products and some paper towels. So that's it. I know we're gonna have to go out and get some more stuff sometime this week, but yeah, this is just for now.
I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings.